In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at the Adobe Animate tool from Adobe Express. It's a free tool, and all you need to do is to sign up. I've already logged in over here, and once you've logged in, you just click on the Create Now button to get to the studio. This is the view you're presented with when you first get into Adobe Express Animate. Let's just go through the right-hand side over here. You can see that there are lots of characters, including these mouths here. But you can have a look through each one of these characters and decide which one of these avatars you want to choose to be represent yourself. I've chosen Sticky, but there's lots of them you can choose from. And what Adobe has done is it's created some simple animations. The arms will move, the eyes will blink, and more importantly, once you upload your own video, it will animate the mouth and lip sync it to your text. So what we can do here, we've got some other features. So we can see here that Sticky is on the background here, and we'll look at the backgrounds in a moment. You can change him by changing the size, and you can use down here in the bottom corner, you can use the scale function as well, just slide him backwards and forwards. We can click on background, and we'll get into background in a moment, and you can choose the size. So I've chosen the custom size at full HD. But you can choose an Instagram, Facebook, X or YouTube, Pinterest, etc., whatever you want to do in terms of your formats. If you chose, for example, YouTube, you can choose to either make it a 16:9 on YouTube, full HD, 1920 by 1080, or you can do it as a YouTube Shorts in portrait format. But you can just choose. I'm going to stick with my custom over here and leave it at that. So why would you use this tool to do your presentation for you? Well, what you can do is you can see down here is you can upload 2 minutes or 1 gig of audio, and the tool here will animate and lip sync the mouth on your chosen character to your text. And so if you do little short clips and you have a storyboard created, you can make this character be your avatar for explaining what's going on the scene behind you, and we'll get in how to set it all up in a moment. So if you wanted to add your own audio, you can click on record. And now I'm just going to say a little bit of text. You can see the border is flashing as I'm saying that. And when I'm done, I'll just click done. And now the site will do its thing. It's uploading, as you can see, and then it's submitting, and then it will do some lip syncing. So we'll just let that do its thing. Okay, it's all sorted itself out. It's ready to download, but let's just check it first. I'm going to click on the video here, going to check it. You'll see down the bottom here I've got some sliders. I can do some rough editing, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to edit that when I download it in CapCut. Let's click play. And now I'm going to say a few words to the tool, and as I'm speaking you can see the blue line flashing to indicate that it's recording. So you can see that the character will animate for you, but more importantly, it will lip sync your voice to the animation of the mouth, making the avatar sound like you and act on your behalf.